The whole purpose of DB&A coming in was to give the management group the tools and the coaching to get to the level of the behaviours that we want as an organisation, and through that change the culture of the organisation. The Whitsons Group was very successful with the work that they were doing. It was just, how do we take the next step? We're coming into a very big piece of business with Walmart. So the analysis stage was, right, come in and tell us where our opportunity is. Come and tell us what you see. We know what we know as much as we don't know what we don't know. I think what we learned in the analysis stage was that however good you think you are, you truly aren't. I mean, if you actually spoke to the management group beforehand, it would have been a case of, no, we're really productive. Yeah, we have some opportunity, but we're productive. And then we actually really look at it, and they can map it out for you, and there's dates and times and people. You know, this is how much time that you lost because of X, Y, and Z. When we started to see some of the numbers coming through, you know, we've seen some of the labour numbers start to improve. We started to increase our production. So we've seen 3,000 go to 4,000, 4,000 go to 5,000, now 5,000 go to 6,000. And we're convinced that if we can push, you know, what we're doing at the moment will get us from 6 to 7. So we're seeing some really good growth in our absorbed labour numbers. A lot of it was culture. I mean, it's about managed behaviours. People have been allowed to operate a certain way for a while, and organisational culture isn't something you change overnight, and it can be very painful for people. So how do we help people through that? And you've got people that want to get through that, because as a manager, I truly want to know what my key performance indicators are every day, because that tells me how well we're doing. I've worked with several consulting firms in my past life. They were generally about on-the-floor process change. So we're going to come in, we're going to identify, well, what are your people to change the process, and then we'll go. The difference with DB&A is they target the behaviours and the competencies and then the culture. They'll identify the gaps in the potential, and they'll identify and put workshops together to help you bridge that. But then these guys aren't coming in to do your job for you. They're coming in to help you do your job and do it in a better way by giving you the data and the information and the training and the skills to be the true leader that you can be.